Hello students, I am your subject teacher Santosh Kumar Singh, and please stay at home and stay healthy. In last three chapter you have read about the different things. Today we will discuss about the same thing which is currently going on. So we are still home. Why? Because we want to prevent ourselves from the disease. We want to prevent ourselves from the virus. What are the virus and their roles in our body? What are the microorganisms? Virus, bacteria, and all these small organisms are called microorganisms. So today your chapter is, that is, why do we fall ill? How we fall ill? So understand about the what is the health, what is the disease, and how we fall ill under these circumstances. So this is the topic which we will cover in today video. We will discuss today, that is about health, disease, causes of disease, and types of disease, their infection agents, mean of spread, treatment, and prevention. So what is the health? Health is a state of being well enough to function physically, mentally, and socially well. For what are the conditions for good health? First is balanced diet, public cleanliness. Third is social equality and harmony. And fourth is personal hygiene. These 4 points are included in which are essential for the good health. What is the disease? Disease is improper functioning of body organ. Improper functioning of body organs due to one or many reasons. So this is a disease when our body not working properly. So in another word, we can say the failure of health is also known as disease. How the disease causes? There are two factors which are help in spread of disease, causes of disease. First is external factor and second is internal factor. External factor, that is disease causing microbes, inadequate food supply, pollution, alcohol and drug addiction. These are the things. And internal factor, there is genetic disorder and improper functioning of body organs. This is the internal factors which cause the disease. Based on duration, the types of disease of two types. First is acute and second is chronic disease. Acute disease that lasts for a short period. It means acute disease is short in period, and chronic disease are that disease which have long period, sometimes even for lifetime. In acute disease, there is example common cold, and example in chronic disease, that is elephantiasis. How the infectious disease communicate? It communicate from the spread of from infected person to healthy person, caused by external factor, common cold and tuberculosis. Next, the non-infectious, which that cannot spread from infected person to healthy person. What are the infectious agents? There are different infectious agents which cause the disease in our body. These are the virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoan and worms. As you all know aware about the coronavirus, it is also a virus. So it caused some critical conditions in our body. It blocked the respiratory tract in our body. So during the unavailability of oxygen, the living being caused the death. The disease caused the death. What is the importance of bacteria? Bacteria virus cause the another diseases in our body also, like common cold, AIDS. Bacteria cause the typhoid, cholera. Fungi cause the skin infections. Protozoan cause the malaria, and worms cause the elephantiasis. So these are the microbes. In upper side you can say these are the helminths, worms, like elephantiasis disease cause the Wuchereria bancrofti. This disease caused by the elephantiasis caused by the Wuchereria bancrofti. This is the scientific name. Means of spread of disease. The disease is spread by the air, water, physical contact and vectors. How the disease is spread by air? It is spread by little droplets. Example, common cold and pneumonia. Next, water. How water helps in spread of disease? By excreta. Example, cholera and typhoid. Physical contact, by sexual contact, like syphilis and AIDS. And vector, what are the vector? Vector which help in the transfer of microorganisms from one place to another. So these are the vectors, like animals, insects. Mosquito is also vector for the malaria disease. Example, malaria and dengue. How the disease treatment takes place? By reducing effect of disease, providing symptoms directed treatment. So if we able to reduce the effect of disease, so we can prevent from it. So treatment by reducing the effect of disease, providing symptoms directed treatment, and second is by killing the microbes, administration of medicine and antibiotics. How the prevention takes place? General way of preventing exposure: providing safe drinking water and public hygiene, proper and sufficient food to everyone. And next one is immunization and vaccination. Both also help in to prevent the disease, prevent from the disease. So thank you. Have a nice day. And in next chapter we will study about these points very